Welcome to Tip Tuesday. As a certified holistic nutritionist and an integrative nutrition health coach, I offer something called epigenetic hair analysis testing. And I can tell you all day long how awesome I think epigenetic hair analysis testing is. But when I hear from people and the success stories that they have from them, that's what I need you to hear, because it's so much beyond just you doing a test, right? It's figuring out the root issue of the symptoms. Obviously, I'm very passionate about figuring out the root, as my business name is To the Root Health and Wellness. So when you have symptoms, you can band-aid them all you want, but those symptoms are going to still come back if you don't figure out the root cause, why that is happening, and fix that root cause. So that's what I love about epigenetic hair analysis testing. It's simply taking 4 strands of hair from the back of your head, sending them in, and you get a 30+ page report on the overall state of your health. So I have a friend and client who has now done, she's got 5 people in her family, and she's done 4 on epigenetic hair analysis tests on 4 of her and her family members, because she feels so strongly about the results that she got from her. So she wanted to continue and do them on her kids. So like I said, I can tell you all about these, but I just want to tell you her success story because it's so incredible. So her daughter was having extreme anxiety, wasn't sleeping at night, so therefore my friend wasn't sleeping, and was having a lot of big emotions. And so she said I needed to figure out what was going on. In addition, her son was having some behavior issues, so she wanted to do this test on him as well. So she said, and I'm quoting, she said, "I got the results from the hair analysis and again blown away. Both their bodies needed more support and were low on some vitamins. Melissa suggested doing a detox for both kids. And so I started the detox first, and oh my goodness, the changes I saw with them being on it in a week were amazing. So her daughter's anxiety has calmed down. She is now sleeping through the night. Her son's behavior has gotten better. She said, when your body needs more support, it will show up in many different ways. And she says, I recommend getting a hair analysis done if you haven't already. It can change your life." Isn't that incredible? She said it changed their life. She wants to share this so that it can change yours as well. I know that too. It's so incredible to be able to find out exactly what's going on in our bodies. We can guess all of the time, but it is so important to test instead of guess. And this is such a non-invasive way to figure out exactly what's going on. Our hair follicles are so incredibly telling of exactly what is going on in our bodies. So I'm going to put some information up in the comments, and I will put a link up. But if you aren't able to access the link, just comment hair and I can get you the information to my website so you too can get to the root of your issues. If you like this information and you want more, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my page so you can find out more information. And until next time, to you and your family's health, take care.